A change in career leads to a life's passion for one San Antonio man. I got a look at how it's made at Joseph Gerber Design Co. in this week's Made in SA. Cherry, oak, or cedar. At Gerber Design Co., the uniqueness of the raw materials inspires each piece.
The color, the grain, I love it.
For owner Joseph Gerber, the evolution of the process keeps him full of wonder.
Just natural wood is it's just so pretty. It was a giant tree that, it fell or somebody cut down and then milled it up into these pieces of wood that you then cut up and turn into something else. It's like this whole cool process of it is it's just awesome.
The rebirth of something new, or for Joseph, someone new.
It was just a hobby for a couple of years, and then recently I decided to try to do it full time.
He cut his roots with retail, moved to Texas, then dove into wood making full time.
I enjoyed doing it a lot, and it was all I was thinking about every day at work anyways. So I was like, I just want to build something. And I was just like, I'd rather do something that I'm really excited about.
Starting with his mosaic art pieces and small furniture.
Being able to create something for someone and see how excited they are about it in their home is it's just the coolest feeling ever.
No prior education, no problem for this millennial.
YouTube. Yeah, everything I know is from YouTube and talking to people.
He also used social media Listen to me now. To kickstart his new career.
Surprisingly, social media, TikTok has been really big. I make these plant shelves. I posted these plant shelves that I made on there, and they just went crazy.
The life he's now built, like the wood he shapes.
Life's pretty short. Not everybody gets the opportunity to work for themselves. You just have to jump in and just make that leap and just got to do it.
And while there may be a hidden splinter from time to time, the finished product makes it all worthwhile.
Now, even if I'm not making a ton of money, I get to work the hours that I want to work, see my wife as much as I want to see my wife. We get to do holidays and things like that. So those kinds of things are, you can't put a price on that.
Absolutely. Well, visit Gerber Design Co. on Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok for more information on his pieces or to get a quote. Pretty cool stuff he's making there, guys.
That is very artistic. And you know how a lot of times you're looking for that perfect piece that fits your house, but you just can't find it?
Yep.
This would be a perfect way of getting that custom-made stuff that just makes it unique.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Yeah, he's got a lot of talent.
Absolutely.
Way more talent than I've got.
You got a hidden talent we don't know about, Paul?
Right. I can't do that. There's no way.